Hi guys and welcome back on my YouTube channel. In this tutorial I will show you how to connect your Huawei Watch GT 3 to your iPhone. So let's do it. So first just select your language and now you need to pair your watch with your phone. For that you need to download Huawei Health app from the Apple Store. And here let's write Huawei Health. This is the app. Okay, just press download, wait a few seconds. Now open the app. Here press OK, press allow, and now let's go back to the watch and let's go down. And here we have a QR code and we need to scan this code, and to do this just go here and press scan. And now you must enter into your Huawei account. If you don't have one, you need to register. I already have one and I will enter my email and my password. And now I'm in, just press next and agree and press let's go here. Here you can turn on all. Okay, and press allow and press again agree. And now let's go back to the scan and press here, press scan. Now downloading some data, please wait. Here please OK. And now let's scan the QR code. Now on the new phone, go to settings, Bluetooth, and select Huawei Watch GT 3. Okay, let's go to the Bluetooth and I will select this watch. And now pairing is request, just allow. And now let's go back to the Health app. Press OK, press next. And here press associate, press allow, allow once, here press OK, and here press update. Now update your version, receiving the update, and now I'm back, and now it's installing the update. It took a little time for this update, I think almost an hour. And now the installing is over and my watch just restarted. And here I will press finish and here just press enable, and that's all. So it seems that everything is okay. I hope this tutorial to be useful for you, and see you to the next tutorial. Have a nice day.